Hello, good morning or good evening to everyone. Welcome to Unix basics tutorials. So this is the continuation to the basics tutorials. So earlier the first video was about the introduction to the Unix operating system. This video is about showing the features of Unix. So here I'm going to talk to you about the features of Unix. Let's go ahead and start. So the first important feature is it's a multi-user operating system where more than one user can use this machine at a time, and it's a multitasking. That means more than one program or application can be run at a time, and it has a great file structure. It follows a directory and file structure. I can say like it's a hierarchical file structure. First it will be a directory. Within the directory you can create a file, and within a file, after files you can also create a, and that is within a directory you can create a subdirectories and such, which we will be seeing in the next coming videos when we talk about the file structure. And it provides a lot of security. So I can divide like the security can be in various ways. One thing is you can provide a security at a directory levels and at the file levels, and you can protect the files. You can protect it by providing passwords, and you can access to this system by username and providing a password. And at the file levels you can give a read, write or execute permission, and you can also encrypt your files to in order and encrypt and decrypt your file by providing a great security. And the another important feature is uh, portable. When I say like it can be ported to any of the computer systems. From it can you can take this part to any of the operating system. It can be Windows or Linux, anything. So these are the very important main features of the Unix operating system. And another important thing is help. Help is also a very much helpful. We have a help command there, where it will give you all the description, like if you're not knowing any command on how to use this specific command. So we have a help facility which is also very greatly used, and it will help you a lot. Okay, so these are the important features of Unix. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll be coming up with more and more videos. Have a great and a pleasureful day and an evening.